guys, welcome to my channel. I want to do a little bit of unboxing with you guys. Guys, I'm a lover of perfume. I love perfume so much, but the issue here is that I don't have money to buy those expensive perfumes that people buy. So unbox my own budget perfume. I can't say it's low budget because every money spent is worth spending, and every money spent we do like this to get it. So guys, don't mind my hair, okay? I'm about to start perfume with me. Yeah, this perfume here, everything here is worth 50k. Should I say 50? Okay, everything here is worth like 30 something thousand. Yes, 40,000. Yeah, so I got this Touch. Just is a mini perfumes. They are all mini. Got this Touch. So it's, guys, here is it. Got this Touch. Oh wow, it's nice. Oh wow, it smells so calm. So calm. This one. And I got this. Is also must use. It's also a very tiny perfume. They're all mini perfumes. I've been using this for a while, so I know it scents nice. And this also, I got this also. Also nice. It's a combo. My vendor sold this combo for me, and I got this Greek. Guys, I'm a lover of men perfume. I like mixing a little bit of men perfume and ladies own to make the combo give you this. Oh sorry, I was supposed to flip it like this. Oh nice. To give you this bossy aroma. That's how I feel like I love it when I mix male perfume, that's masculine and feminine perfumes. If you mix it, give it a try. It's really nice. It's really nice. I know a lot of people have been doing it, so I'm just telling you guys. And I got this Avanti too. Yeah, I know this one is really nice. And this My Way, Imperial Way, sorry. And this, I really love what I got. I loved everything. Yep. And this, I got this one. This one. And this. And also this. Guys, I don't want to open it. It's going to take a lot of time to open it. Just let me try and see if I can open this here. We won. We open it. We won. And this fragrance. Oh my god. Oh, this is nice. And I got this. Guys, do you know what attracted me to this perfume? Was the what's it called? Oh my god, so nice. The way it comes, like the way it's really nice, look girlish. That was what attracted me to this perfume. And I decided that I'm going to get this just for the way the container is looking. It's just looking so lovely, like very lovely. So that was what attracted me to get this perfume. And this last one on the list, and this Noble Blush. Yep, Noble Blush. Oh, Oh my goodness. So I'm going to look for how I'm going to pair each one. Maybe I'll pair it two. Put it on in a day. Guys, that's all. So I got in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a venti is a 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I dashed one out, so that's why it's 11, because in total it was supposed to be 12. So I got all the 12 perfumes for like 30 something thousand. Yes, I guess so. 30 something thousand. Yes, 30 something thousand. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.